Here are a few problems with derivatives, and I'm going to show you how AI actually can be a great support or guide to help students double check their work before they even meet with their tutors so they can get some clarification. The first one here is the derivative of x is just 1, right? So using a power rule, we can find the derivative, no problem there. When we are trying to find the derivative of 2x cubed minus 3x plus 3, now you have to bring in the quotient rule. The crazy part of this problem is that it's a lot of algebra. It's just a lot of algebra. You see why I say that. When you know what the quotient rule is, right, to find the derivative, right, you find the derivative of the first, right? Some people have ways they try to remember this, but just find the derivative of the numerator, multiply it by the denominator, minus the derivative of the denominator times the numerator, and divide that by the denominator squared. So this is our numerator and our denominator. Numerator 2x cubed, right? I write it out. I find the derivative of it. Perfect. G of x, I write it out. I find the derivative 3. Perfect. Gx squared, that's basically, you could leave it in this form, but if you wanted to multiply it out, this is where in algebra we talk about foiling, right? Okay, now we plug in the derivative of the first term times the second term, which is just the 3x plus 3, which was in your denominator, minus the derivative of the second term, the denominator value, times the first term, divided by 3x plus 3 squared. Perfect. Now we multiply things out. See, the distributive property. Some people learn this in pre-algebra, right? See, the nature of math is all the topics are connected, right? And then here you have 2x cubed plus 18x squared. You divide that by this. And guess what? We take out the greatest common factor. And that's our answer. Notice that a lot of this is algebra, but the calculus set the stage. It's almost like a rocket. Calculus sent it to space, and then algebra did a lot of the work. Algebra matters a lot. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Welcome to Counting to Calculus, as we are seeking to power the next generation of math education and math excellence. We are taking students for the 2025-2026 school year. We also have for online tutoring, so feel free to reach out to us. You can go to amosthemathguy.com. Okay, now you're using AI. Derive 2x to the third power divided by 3x plus 3. It says to differentiate the function, and then it gives you details. Identify the differentiation method, quotient rule. It does the same similar pattern there. It computes the derivatives. It applies the quotient rule, expand the numerator, factor the numerator, and you get your answer. Notice that you can use ChatGPT or AI as a tool to get you started. That you can use it as a guide to get you started, but make sure you're understanding what you're doing, and then discuss any concerns with your tutors. Subscribe for more. Have a blessed day.